Back with another video. You know how it is. Back with the boy Dan.
Yo.
Dan again, you know, favorite in the last couple of videos, but we're out here going for some catfish right now. There's a little creek under a bridge, looking for some river monsters. We did catch that. I don't think it was a perch. It might have been a spotted bass or maybe a smallmouth. I think it might have been a smallmouth. But yeah. So we're gonna keep you posted on everything we catch. You know, the boy's there with us. He got his rod up. He's got another one in the stew. So yeah, we're gonna catch you when we catch one.
Corey! Oh shit. You just got hit. Corey, there's something on here, bro. It's on, it's on. Where's it go for? Where's it go for?
It's right here.
Recording? Is it recording?
Yeah.
Right where?
Oh yes, it's funny.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Get the GoPro! Yo! Let's go, bro.
Oh my gosh, I see it. I see it in the water.
What do you think it is?
It's huge.
Oh my god! Yo! Bro, it's that river monster. It's that river monster.
These river monsters are real, guys. Oh my gosh, is this a bass? Bro, I think it's a bass.
Oh no,
it's fighting like a smallmouth.
Bro,
that's a bass.
That's a big ass catfish, bro.
No, that's a bass, bro.
That's a catfish, bro. I'm telling you. Just a big ass catfish.
Oh my gosh.
Yo.
Bro, he's fighting like crazy. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna get him up here? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Yo, my gosh.
Oh, he's tweaking.
Let's go. Yo, we should. Oh my gosh. I keep forgetting to get the net, bro.
Okay. We're good.
Yo.
Oh shit, I just got that. Oh my gosh.
Bro.
Guys.
Bro. cold.
Oh my gosh. That is a behemoth, bro.
Yo. Here's my hand. Here's my hand. Here's my hand, right? Here's that fish, bro. It's huge.
Here we go, guys. A solid 3-pounder. 3-pounder. Looking for these river monsters right now. Oh my gosh, we were just about to cast out my other pole. And this thing, bro, he literally pulled my rod from up here and pulled it down, bro. And it's about to go into the river. Bro, you seen that on the GoPro. We're gonna replay that footage so y'all can see. But let's go catch him, bro. I'll see y'all. Yo, we stopped recording, but Dan is hooked up.
Woo. It might be that cart, bro.
Might be a cart.
It might be that cart.
Oh, it's pull and drag, baby.
That's not playing like no cart, that's playing like a sunfish.
Oh, I think it's a cat.
It's a catty?
Yeah, a tiny one.
On corn? Damn.
Yes, sir. Dan's catch today. Yes, sir, baby.
Let's go, bro.
Yes, sir.
It's not the biggest, but
it's not the biggest, but catch is a catch, right, baby?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yo, look how I hooked him, bro. Barely got him.
Damn. Barely hooked, bro.
Barely got him.
Yes, sir. Let's get a throw in back in. Woo. Oh, yeah, he wants to go. He's ready to go. Oh, there he goes. Yes, sir. Pound it, baby. Pound it, baby. What's good, guys? We're here. We stopped for some food. We got some McDonald's. A little McDonald's mukbang real quick. Michelle, what you got to eat? I got the spicy crispy chicken sandwich. And I got a medium fries and a milkshake and a large sweet tea.
And I got the crispy chicken deluxe with a medium fry and a fruit punch.
Yes, sir. About to grub. Grub time, babe.
Good eats, man.
What's up, guys? We just finished all our food. What are you rating out of 10?
Yo, 10, bro. That was good eats, yo.
Good eats, bro.
Good eats.
I'm gonna rate that 7.5 out of 10. That was good eats, but you know, there's better food out there.
That's true.
But that shit was 5 for. I only paid like 5 beans for all that.
Yeah, that's a good deal, bro.
So, yeah. All right, we're gonna get back to fishing. We're gonna catch you there. Catch you guys. What's good, guys? We made it to the second spot. Got your boy Dan. Yes, sir. Again. Yeah. Look at this beautiful spot. There's a little waterfall. We're thinking about going fishing on those rocks over there. Catch some catfish, but we got some, know, the fish we've been chasing after for a while now. We got that rigged up right now. But yeah, we'll catch you guys if we catch one.
What's up, guys? Before I end this video, I just want to explain like that whole trip, because that, bro, me and Dan had the most lit time ever, but it was so chaotic. When we first got there, we went to our first spot that was under another bridge. It was on the bridge that we were fishing at. It was on the other side, so we were fishing on the other side, or trying to, and we're trying to get down, and there's like just a bunch of like wet ground, and I'm like, bro, let's just send it. Let's send it, because it looked like a juicy spot. So we're like, all right, let's just send it. I went first, and I'm like walking like 2 feet into this dirt, and next thing I know, my foot is like, bro, it just sinks down into the dirt, and I'm like, oh gosh. And bro, like, I take another step, and I go to take another step, and my foot comes out of my shoe, and I just have my sock on, and like my shoe is like in the mud, bro. It was terrible, so bad. I had to end up throwing out my socks. My shoes stank. It was terrible, but bro, we had such a lit time. I love fishing with my boy Dan. I know y'all love watching him too. But we're about to come out with some new videos. But thank you for watching this video. Make sure you drop a comment if you like these types of videos, going out, you know, public fishing in like little rivers, trying to catch these river monsters, bro, because I'm really trying to catch a behemoth, you know what I'm saying? But if you like these, make sure you drop a comment about that. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe to keep up with me on this journey, and to, you know, stay up with all my uploads. I got 2 more videos for y'all coming out. I have 2 videos that I still have to edit. I'm about to go edit them right now. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later.